Hey guys, check out this date. This is the date that we will be doing our first live streaming. So do send us your photos and your questions that you have always wanted to ask us. And what's more interesting is that you get to catch Andrew shooting live. It took a lot of effort to memorize this. I'll see you guys on this date. Don't forget!
Look at this day!
This
is an interesting day because it's the first time we're going to be doing a live view on this channel for free. It's just going to be 1 hour long.
You are so
And
fast.
send to... Wait, hang on, I'm talking, don't disturb me. It's a call for action. Send us photos that you want us to see and see. Send us questions that you've always wanted to ask me. But don't ask what camera I should buy, okay? Apart from that, you can ask us anything about photography. And at the same time, I'm going to be doing something live. We're going to be shooting something live. So you can see the way that I make mistakes and how I rectify that, and boom, get really good pictures. So can you do this, Demi? I'm going to go in live stream now.